In this video I'm going to show you how to make shortcut on iPhone when charging. It's a very quickly and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First you need to open your search bar on iPhone and search shortcuts. You will find this option right here and you need to click on top. Then you will come to this page, okay, you will see several options. Okay, you need to click at the top right corner on this plus button. By the side select this plus button, click on top. Here you will come to this page and you will see this blue button, okay, add action with a plus button by the side. You just need to click and select the app, the action that you want to put on shortcuts. After making this, you can also put your shortcut on your home screen if you want. Now, if you are having problems to make shortcuts on iPhone when charging, I recommend you to remove the cell phone charger just to make the shortcut and put again your cell phone charger. You can also try to restart your iPhone and make the process, okay, with your cell phone charger. I hope I helped you on how to make shortcut on iPhone when charging. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive us full tips.